Hello. Welcome to our Friday SEO tip. Chris Rolfe here, the founder of Boulder SEO Marketing. If you've been following our Friday SEO tips, or if you've been following us in general, you know that we have invented what we call micro SEO strategies after our own website got hit by a Google algorithm update. So today I want to talk about link repositioning strategies. It's an amazing link earning sort of like strategy that you can do right away. Still, backlinks, they high quality relevant backlinks are still very important for SEO. And I'm going to show you this really easy to implement strategy on how to build a backlink profile for a specific page. So I do recommend watch the YouTube video here that it's an hour-long webinar that Daniel Burns, our COO, and I presented a while back on how we are now able to outrank any competitor with these micro SEO strategies. In short, it's basically a page that we're going to make the best page on the web available for a closely related set of keywords. That page, ideally, we also want to create, a backlink profile that will support that page with in our SEO efforts. So, for example, this page, it's the Denver SEO location page on our website. We built a micro SEO strategy around that page. Again, if you watch the hour-long webinar recording that I just shared, you'll understand how we do this. But basically, the goal, or one of the things that we have to do as part of a micro SEO strategy, is to also get high quality backlinks to this page from relevant other websites or pages. All right, so two ways on how to check or basically how to implement a link repositioning strategy. First of all, SE Ranking, our favorite SEO tool here at Boulder SEO Marketing. I'll put the link to this tool down there in the description in the YouTube video as well. But basically head over to the backlinks section, go to the backlink checker, just run a backlink audit. You'll be able to identify who's already linking back to your website. You can also do it on a page-by-page basis. And basically identify what kind of backlinks you could go into, or what kind of pages that are linking back to your website already, and basically change the link, let's say from just like Boulder SEO Marketing to this URL, to boulderseomarketing.com/Denver SEO. All right, this is what's called link repositioning. Instead of just generically linking to the BSM website, you want to reposition that link so that it actually links to this page, because the better we can increase the backlink profile of this particular page, it will give us an edge. It will give that page an edge over the competing pages in the Google SERPs. All right, so SE ranking is one option here. Another option on how to identify what links are already working for you in some form or shape. Just head over to Google Search Console. That's a free tool provided by Google. Head down to the link section. Then right here, this is what you're looking for, top linking sites. Click on this tab here. Then, so Google basically is telling me, hey, there's approximately 1,200 pages linking back to your website. Why don't we expand this? Unfortunately, you can only see 500 links here, but let's take a look at this link back to our website. So that's a site called Visual Visitor. No idea what it is. All right. So Visual Visitor. So apparently this website is linking back to the Boulder SEO Marketing homepage. Let's take a look at that. All right. So let's open this page here. Aha, it is a directory. Okay. That's our old logo. There's a description that's probably scraped from somewhere on the web. It has, you know, information about the employees, people working here. All right, so look at that. This is what I'm looking for. So currently this page is linking back to our homepage. All right, I can easily, you know, reclaim this profile and reposition this link to our Denver SEO page. That this page is actually getting us probably 80% of all the leads that we're getting, because it shows up right at the top for many Denver SEO related searches. So the more hyperlink links I can build for this page, the more it's going to support our SEO effort for that particular page. So that's called link repositioning. You have two amazing tools to work with. It's a little bit of work, but it's definitely gonna pay off. I hope this tip was useful. If you have any questions, comments, plug them down into the YouTube video, the questions, and yeah, stay well and healthy, and we'll talk to you soon again. Bye. Happy Friday.